Hello, I'm Mike Lambert with Mckaig Chevrolet Buick, your E60 dealer for the people. Today we're looking at the brand spanking new Buick Cascada. Convertible, power top. Just kind of do a little walk around. Got the wraparound tail lights here. It is a good looking vehicle. On your gas cap, it's still spring loaded, so you just touch the back of it and it will open it up. And when you get gas, be sure you click it, make sure it clicks, so you'll know it's good and tight. So it's got the good looking wheels, and we'll just do the whole kind of walk around. It's sharp, got the black top. Got fog lamps way down low here. There. Got front parking sensors. So come see us here at Mckaig Chevrolet Buick, your E60 dealer for the people. Thank you.